So important context before I start the video. I would never want to see anybody else try this. Clearly there are free solo climbers, things like that, of course. As far as don't get inspired by what I did and go do what I did, please don't do that. So I uploaded this to one of my other channels a couple months ago, and I feel like just kind of uploading the GoPro footage without explaining why I did it, I thought it was very important to actually put it on this channel, and I'll explain why. So this all has to do with the warrior mindset. This was just a way to train my mental, nothing more. I am not a rock climber, not at all. I've done a little bit of climbing in a climbing gym, and this was my third free solo climb. And I'm not going to be doing any more. I made some promises that I wouldn't, because it worries family, and I totally get that. I wouldn't want to put anybody through that either. So again, I just did this to test my mental. I'm also gonna explain this was not a hard rock climb, but a very dangerous one. I know the top of the mountain, I just didn't know where this cliff went, and I couldn't see past a certain point, so I kind of went in there blind. And I'm not a rock climber. I'm not a technical rock climber. You might have rock climbers, pick this video apart, doesn't matter to me. I'm not a rock climber. This is all for martial arts, all for mental. So I know good rock climbers, I watch good rock climbers. I know I'm not a good rock climber. Let's just get that clear. What I train is martial arts. So I felt like the climb had really good holds. The most dangerous aspect of this climb, it wasn't a tough technical climb. The rock was really poor, and it was just kind of crumbling. And I was aware of this to an extent, but not really how bad it was going to be. You could be the best rock climber in the world, and the rock could crumble and you're done. So again, this was all for mental. Do not do this. So really the point of why I did this, and the point of why I'm making this video, is the false narrative. I'm going against the false narrative of you can't build your mental up. All growing up, and I continue to hear it, it's the recycled statement that you can't teach that. You're born with that. I can't stand it, because other people have heard it said and they just repeat it. Oh, that person's got the dog in them, blah, blah, blah. There's so many things that people just recycle and repeat. And it's just not true. It's not true. You can build your mental up. That is what this is about. I have struggled with the mental. I wasn't just born being mentally strong. I've really had to work at it. I've come so far, and that's the thing, is I'm not done. I'm continuing. This is a journey, all right? I'm going to continue to train my mental mindset, and it keeps improving year after year. I'm here to tell you, you can do it. Very important. Don't listen to the narrative. You might be negative with your mindset that, yeah, well, I wasn't born with that. I can't do it. Incorrect. You can do it. And I'm going to explain how you do it. You just build it up like conditioning. When you're trying to become in better shape, you might start off running a 10-minute mile and then work down to a 9, 8, 7, 6, whatever. Keep going as far as you can. And this is mental conditioning. This is no different. You just keep building it in small increments. It just keeps getting better day by day. You don't just want to go 0 to 100. You want to build it up step by step. That's the same way with our martial arts training. This is martial arts training. This is mental. Mental is one of the biggest aspects of martial arts training. So, things you can do. Go spar with somebody better than you. Go do things you're scared of. Don't go do crazy things like I've done and continue to do. Please don't. But challenge yourself. When you run, try to get a minute faster. I think with martial arts, just improving your technique, getting your technique will give you a lot of confidence. Getting your technique better and better. It's the step-by-step process. Don't get discouraged. I promise you'll get there. So this was all about the warrior mindset. There was no other reason for me to free solo this cliff. Because I was scared and I knew it was dangerous, I went and did it. Again, you don't have to go try extreme things like this. I'm just saying, this is the aspect of it. You can do it. It's the smallest changes, and you'll continue to grow. All right? Very, very important. Again, I have videos on training the ice baths, cold exposure. You can go look at those. That's a way to increase your mental. Running, conditioning, sparring with people better than you. It's very simple in martial arts. If you start training with people that are better than you and you're getting dominated and you're losing, that's fine. You learn from your losses. I can't tell you how many times in sparring, training when I was younger that I lost and I was discouraged for just a little bit. Then I thought, well, I got to get better. I can't let that happen again. And that's the mindset. Go out and do things that scare you. I promise you, it doesn't have to be something huge. It can be just little things that you try and you get better at. And I just want to thank you for watching again. I want to thank all my subscribers. I really appreciate all of you, and I really mean that. And I'm going to show the footage of the climb. And again, please don't try this. And I'm going to be doing more videos where I'm going to discuss topics, but again, this is a martial arts tutorial channel, so that'll be the majority of it, but I'm going to get into some other things. So thanks again for watching. Rock is crumbling underneath me. Terrible rock. Look at this.
The worst part is, the camera went out for the last little climb there. Especially, I didn't have any climbing shoes. And that rock is terrible, and it's just crumbling right underneath my feet.